facts sound so fake, you'd swear I made them up. But every single one is 100% real. Like how bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Or that there's a jellyfish that can live forever. Stick around. The final one is about you, and it's the most unbelievable of all. This is the world of weird science, twisted history, and facts that will break your brain. Let's dive into 10 mind-blowing facts that sound totally fake, but aren't. Bananas are berries. Strawberries aren't. In science class, we learned what fruits are, but Mother Nature had other ideas. Botanically, a berry is a fruit that comes from a single flower with one ovary and has multiple seeds. Bananas, check. Strawberries, nope. So your smoothie's been lying to you this whole time. Bananas are berries, strawberries are not. And don't even get me started on tomatoes. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are already weird suction cups, 8 arms, and brain power. But did you know they have 3 hearts? To pump blood to their gills, one pumps it to the rest of their body. And that blood, it's blue. Why? Because instead of iron like us, their blood uses copper to carry oxygen. Basically, they're underwater aliens, and they've been smarter than us for a while. Sharks are older than trees. Picture a shark in a forest. Now forget the forest because sharks came first. They've been around for over 400 million years. That's 50 million years before the first tree even grew. So while trees were just an idea, sharks were already hunting. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Butterflies don't use their mouths to taste things. They use their feet. When a butterfly lands on a plant, tiny sensors on its feet pick up chemicals. It can instantly tell if the plant is good for laying eggs or if it's toxic. Basically, every time it lands, it's tasting the world with its toes. And we thought stepping on Lego was impressive. Science is wild. A planet made of diamond. There's a planet out there made almost entirely of diamond. It's called 55 Concrete, eat twice the size of Earth. And its carbon-heavy structure plus insane pressure means it's likely covered in pure diamond. That's right, a literal space jewel just floating in the galaxy. No mining, no cutting, just a whole planet of bling. You shed your entire skin monthly. Right now, your body is falling apart, and that's a good thing. You lose about 30,000 skin cells every minute. Over the course of a month, you've replaced your entire outer layer. So yeah, every 28 days, you're basically wearing a brand new bodysuit. You're a walking, breathing, regenerating creature. Kinda cool, kinda creepy. A day on Venus is longer than its year. On Earth, a day is 24 hours, easy. But on Venus, the rules break down. Venus rotates so slowly that one full day takes 243 Earth days. But it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That's simplified. A year is shorter than a day. On Venus, you have a birthday before your first sunset. Honey never spoils. You could open a jar of honey that's 3,000 years old and still eat it. No mold, no bacteria, nothing. Honey's natural composition, high acidity, low water, and hydrogen peroxide makes it basically immortal. Archaeologists found jars in ancient Egyptian tombs that were still edible. Try that with a sandwich. A jellyfish that can live forever. Meet the Torotopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When it's injured or aging, it reverts its cells back into a baby form to start a new life over again. It's the biological version of a reset button. In theory, it could do this forever, unless something eats it. Immortality exists, just not for us. You are the fastest sperm out of millions. This last one is personal. Out of 200 to 300 million sperm racing toward one egg, you are the one that made it. That means you've already won the most competitive race of your life. Before you were even born. No second place, no do-overs. Just one shot. And you nailed it? You are, scientifically, a champion. Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you made it this far, you're clearly a fan of facts that sound fake but aren't. So hit subscribe, because the next video might just break your brain again. Stay curious, and stay weird.